Well, I'm out here at the wonderful Garland Nursery, and I'm here for the Garland Nursery's annual Art and Wine in the Garden event, right?
Yes.
And Brenda, this is the 20th
Yes,
year
it
for this.
is.
Wow, it seems like time is flying past.
Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Mm-hmm.
So let's jump in with you about, it says art. So what kind of art is going to be here? What kind of people and events?
Sure. Well, we think of art a lot of times as paintings and prints that you can hang on the wall, and there will be
Right.
some of those, distressed ink prints, all sorts of different things like that. But there's other things as well. Everything from hand-woven baskets, pottery, metal garden art, repurposed pieces for art in the garden, unique straw hats. Lots of jewelry, but different kinds, and glass mosaics.
Well,
also.
the glass mosaics, is that stuff like the candles?
So no, so the Recandle Company will be here,
Right.
and she does really cool. She and her husband do really cool lights made out of liquor bottles and wine bottles.
We had them on the show, didn't we?
We
And
sure did.
Now they've even got some new stuff coming
Yes, they
out.
do.
Wonderful,
yes,
wonderful.
very, very attractive. And I mentioned the glass mosaics. Gail Grohl has been off and on with us for quite a number of years as well, and her stuff is really cool. Kathy's garden art does the rusted pieces made out of like chainsaw chains
Wow.
and metal
And let's be honest, some of these pieces you've actually bought and used in your own home and garden.
I have. I brought some up today to show you, and earrings too. I really love her design.
Lovely.
Necessary Indulgences. She does some great things with copper and
Wonderful.
different things. Yeah, so I
So
have.
certainly plenty of wonderful things to visit, see,
Absolutely.
and purchase while you're
Absolutely.
here. So now, why don't we turn over to your brother Lee
Okay.
here. And Lee, we're going to talk to you about, because there's always music, there's food, and of course wine. So let's jump into that.
Yeah, the wine is part of the name in
Right,
the event,
it's
right?
right in there.
So I'm going to use my cheat sheet. Otherwise, I'm not going to remember when
there is
and,
no shame in
and
that.
who. Okay, thank you. So yeah, we do have food trucks. We have 2 of them, and they are here from 11 to 4 both days. We've got Kiko's Barbecue, and we've got the Spotlight food truck. We also have an ice cream truck, which will be fantastic
Wonderful.
on a nice,
Warm
perfectly
day,
warm day.
yeah.
They'll be here from 11 to 3. We also have wine, which is part of the name. So we have 3 different wineries that do fantastic wines. We have Bluebird Hill Winery.
See, have you been tasting already,
No,
Lee?
I haven't had any yet, no. We've got Cardwell Hill Cellars, and we've got Andante Vineyards.
Nice indeed. Now, as far as the music goes, there's going to be a couple of bands here because this is happening both days.
We have a band each day.
Yeah, nice.
And the bands are here from 12 to 3. We've got Saturday, we've got the Dead Band, which is a Grateful Dead cover band.
Oh, nice,
Which
nice.
Will bring you back to the 60s and
Right,
70s, I think. And then on Sunday, we have the Almost True and the Easy Targets.
Wonderful.
So that'll be fun as well. We also, I didn't mention, but we have spirit tasting too.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, we've got Spiritopia and Vivacity Spirits here this year.
And, quite frankly, I've gotten to know both of them through coming to this event.
Yes.
And I absolutely adore both of those
Yes,
companies.
yes, no, they are fantastic, definitely. I won't be able to partake, I don't think, until the end of the day, but
Well, I'll step up for you.
Thank you.
I'll
Yeah,
do that
you
for
do
you,
your
just
part?
to help out. It is 20 years. That's a long time for an event. Clearly, it's a fun event. And if you've never been out here, you should come on, stop by. And if you've been out here before, come on back again, listen to the music, interact with wonderful artists, and get some wonderful beverages and food to boot. So both of you, thank you so much for your time, and come on out and enjoy Art and Wine in the Garden.